So I've been working in a coffee shop for, I don't know, years. Going in there, doing all my paperwork because I have 5 kids and it's just quieter in the coffee shop than at home. And so I was sitting in the coffee shop. There's an insurance adjuster who does paperwork in there as well. And he heard me over talking with somebody else about some of the deals that we were doing. And he's like, "Hey, I got a property I want to get rid of." And I was like, "Tell me about it." So he told me he would take like 145. It's like a 2,000 square foot house. Somebody's currently living in it in a decent neighborhood in Milton. And I was like, "I don't even have to see it. I'll send you a contract tonight." He's like, "Let me talk to my wife first." So he talked to his wife. His wife's like, she's smart apparently. She's like, "We won't take less than 160. I'm like, "Okay, I just want to see it." So I drove by it. I'm like, "I'll write you a contract." So we wrote a contract for 160, and we found a buyer out of Atlanta. He came and bought it for a little over 170, and we made about 10K, and we did it in less than 45 days. Would have been a lot quicker, but the tenant took forever to get out. So
awesome.
Yeah.
How much money did you use of your own?
$0.
Yeah.
How much credit? 0.
Did you have a license for that?
Nope.
Oh.
Through a realtor, actually. Yep. So a realtor, I'm a home inspector, so I know a lot of realtors. I was talking to one of my realtors. She said, "Hey, I've got an investor. He can't find anything. If you have anything, tell me about it." And so I told her, I was like, "Look, if you're going to buy the deal, you got to put your own fee on top of it. If you want to pay, I'm not going to pay you a fee." But she said, "I'm not going to take a fee on it. He's going to buy it. I'm going to list it. I'll make my money on the backside." So